Alright guys, so we're back at U-Pole in Rosemount today. It is snowing. It is cold. We are looking at a 2000 Dodge Durango that is brown. Maybe it's brown right here. And a little bit on the tire. And the hitch, but oh, it's a little white here actually. Oh, there's some brown. That's a racing stripe right there. And it's off center so you know it's fast. I think that's gray, if you want my opinion. It is a Durango SLT. And I had this door open before I started recording. And I shut it so I get a good picture. And now it won't open again. Why? Alright, we ain't going in that way. We've got the, aluminum Dodge wheels that somebody has done some welding on for some reason. Why? Somebody explain that to me. I wonder if the shop had to torch those off, like before they brought it into the yard. See, that door opens nice. It is a dark gray interior with like the, you see this fabric in some of the 97, 98 Caravans, 3rd gen Caravans anyway. Like a speckled multicolor party gray. I don't know. Somebody probably knows the actual color of that fabric, but I don't. What do we got going on here? We got the older style 1st gen cluster. We've got an aftermarket Sony radio. We've got a 4-wheel drive, manual shift. Looks like it's got 2-wheel, 4-wheel high, and 4 low, and it is a locking differential. I see Allstate insurance cards in here. The owner's manual is in here. The new Dodge Durango. Vehicle Protection Plus LLC. Tech Serve, that's an aftermarket contract, I'm sure. There's a remote for the Sony radio, I bet. That's cool. 3 cup holders. You guys see anything down there? No, you don't. No key. No overhead console, just vanity lights. No rear AC in this one. There's a pin up there. I don't know what that is, but it do be a pin. We're actually in here today for these seat belts for my Durango because mine are all chewed up right here. Oh, what do we got back here? Ooh, mouse repellent. I can still smell it, kind of. Look at that. It does have the rear vent right there, and probably under seat vents, depending on that control. I think. I think. Yeah. See, you have foot and then face, which would be that vent. Here's one of the panels that has come off because of rust. We do have 2nd row seats. And we do have 3rd row seats back there. They're folded down, as you can see. We got more trim panels that have fallen off because of rust. That's a fender in there off of something. It looks like a Caravan fender, don't it? Right? Maybe. What is this? No, it's not a Caravan fender. It's a fender off of something, though. It had the little, I guess ours doesn't come up that high. I don't know what I'm saying, okay? We saw it had a white hatch on it. It's missing the trim. So I bet you they replaced the hatch, never put the trim on. We do got floor mats in the rear and floor mats up front. Power windows. Power locks. There's a power mirror switch over there too. A little bit more of that brown paint. Tires are 31 x 10.5 R15 LTs. That's the size. This hatch was from Superior Brookdale Ford. It is pretty rusty underneath, but the frame is still in one piece. Rocker panels have more to be desired. Let's make this quick. My hands start to freeze. I got a glove on this side. We got a Dodge V8 Magnum. If I had to guess, this would be a 4.7. But I don't know. It's had a recall for something. And probably O2, I think that's what that means. What's that sticker say up there? It says 4.7 V8 Magnum. So, there you go. That computer's still there. That computer will be gone before this leaves the yard, I guarantee it. Looks like it's had some sort of mice infestation up here. They cut the battery cables off naturally. Power steering, I think. The covers off, but yeah, shop took all the covers off, never put them back, which happens. That hood doesn't go down very easy. The hinges are kind of stuck. Oh, forgot about that. There we go. Oh! Keyless entry. Put that in the ignition for somebody. Oh, look at that. Oh, and then there's the she's fixed it. So yeah, I think that's about it for this Durango. The headliner's in perfect shape actually, but we got to take these seatbelts off. I'm not going to do that on camera because I'm freezing and going to die, and I need to put this back on. But I'm recording for you guys. But we got to pull this little trim piece off, pop this panel off. I pop the top panel off, and then there's a bolt here, and a bolt here, and I think a bolt there. So that is going to do it for you guys on this 2000 Dodge Durango SLT. But I'm going to spend a little bit of time freezing, taking those seatbelts off. So thanks for watching, guys. Well, you thought that was the end of the video, didn't you? Turns out on that 99, this is a star bit that I didn't bring with me because I forgot. But this 2000 Dodge Durango SLT, that has power locks, windows, mirrors, cruise control, some weird light, the same manual shift four-wheel drive, power seats, and a lighter gray, same color cloth interior. Has ones with, that is a 16 mil, but I'm sure there's an Imperial size for it. This one's also got an aftermarket radio. It is a Pioneer. It's got the old style first gen gauges. It's got fog lights. I don't know. This one does have no overhead console, but it does have rear AC in it. It is also a 3-row Durango. But that's all you get. It's black. It's a lot less rusty than the other one. And it's got bolts for the front seat belt, so we're taking it instead. Oh, and it's missing a driver floor mat. So, yeah. That, I think, will do it for the video. Once again, I'm freezing, and I'm not going to show you any more. Okay, I'll show you a little bit more. But that's it. I'm going to take these seat belts off. Same process, obviously, just different color, and this is what we're going to live with, because that's what I've got. So, thanks again for watching. How many of you saw that coming? That would be it's either T45, 47, or 50. Yeah, so the bottom bolt is still that, naturally. Otherwise, I gotta get these two on both sides out. I'm gonna have to see if they have one of those sockets up the front. I gotta make a run to O'Reilly's, unfortunately. Luckily, it's like 3 miles down the road. But I got them already on both sides, so I'll have to make that run to O'Reilly's. Get me a T45, 47, and 50 socket on a half-inch for a half-inch wrench or something, and come back, take them out, and it'd be what it be. But, ow, what else I noticed? This one's got the key with the keyless fob in here too. Rosemount I've usually found doesn't leave the fobs in the vehicles, but look at that. So maybe it's a turn for the better. Because it makes it so much easier because you can keep it paired with the stuff, you know. So I'm gonna leave it at that.